Number 1. 1972 Ford F-100, $4,800 Wimberley, Texas. This 1972 Ford F-100 is a ready-to-drive vintage pickup that balances functionality with classic charm. Equipped with a 390 cubic inch V8 and an automatic transmission, it's a true workhorse that still handles daily duty. With 45,567 miles on the odometer, this truck boasts new tires, a fresh carburetor, a recent tune-up, and other maintenance items. Though it lacks air conditioning, the heater works and it cruises comfortably at highway speeds. The original red paint has developed a patina that suits its Texas heritage perfectly. There's no rust to worry about, and the truck has a clean Texas title, an ideal choice for enthusiasts seeking reliability without sacrificing vintage appeal. Number 2. 1960 Chevrolet Apache Fleetside, $2,600 Smithville, Texas. For fans of vintage Chevy trucks, this 1960 Apache Fleetside offers a budget-friendly entry point into the classic truck world. It's a project truck with a manual transmission and a 6-cylinder engine that reportedly last turned over 5 years ago. It shows heavy signs of rust, cracked windows, and missing title, but it does come with new rear light lenses and brake pads. With its authentic patina and rugged stance, this Apache could become a stunning rat rod or a full restoration. Given its price, it's a compelling foundation for a labor of love. Number 3. 1973 Ford LN600 $2,000 Yuma, Arizona. This 1973 Ford Lane 600 medium-duty truck is a rare survivor that once served as a dump truck. Under the hood is a small block gas engine paired with a Clark manual transmission. Though it starts and drives under its own power, it requires brake work, master cylinder leaks, and may need head gaskets due to compression issues during long idle times. The hydraulic dump bed is untested and the power steering pump is currently removed. Still, with 522.5 tubeless wheels and a clean Arizona title, this truck offers vintage utility at a low entry cost for restoration-minded buyers. Number 4. 1970 GMC Sierra Grande with dump bed, $4,700 Missoula, Montana. This rare 1970 GMC Sierra Grande features a factory-installed 292 inline-6 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission, making it a truly unique workhorse. The original dump bed is currently inoperable but adds to the truck's heritage as a Montana farm vehicle. The odometer reads 49,000 miles, and the seller believes it has not rolled over. Some rust affects the rockers, cab corners, and floor, but the patina and historical documentation, including the original owner's manual and purchase agreement, make this truck an excellent candidate for restoration or functional vintage use. Number 5. 1975 GMC C10 Flatbed, $3,700 Yakima, Washington. A rugged 1975 GMC C10 flatbed equipped with a 350 cubic inch V8 and a 4-speed manual transmission, this long bed two-wheel drive truck offers a working platform with character. Though the odometer is broken, everything else is reportedly in working condition. This truck is ideal for someone seeking a classic flatbed with immediate utility or a restoration base that can handle work duties while gradually being restored. Number 6. 1967 Dodge D500 dump truck, $3,000 Denver, Colorado. A solid vintage hauler, This 1967 Dodge D500 comes with a freshly tuned 318 V8 engine, a new clutch, and excellent tires. The dump bed side folding panels make it versatile as a flatbed, and the reupholstered seat adds comfort. Though the odometer is broken, the overall condition is dependable. This is a rare classic work truck that blends period-correct utility with visual impact. The perfect choice for vintage truck collectors who need function and form. Number 7. 1962 Chevrolet C20 Stepside. $1,700 Granite Falls, Washington. This 1962 Chevrolet C20 project truck comes with an 8-foot stepside bed, a 235 inline-6 engine, and a 3-speed manual transmission. Though it runs and drives, it's been sitting for a long time and has significant rust throughout. Still, it's a clean-titled classic that could be transformed into a rat rod, farm truck, or restoration project. At this price point, it offers a strong foundation with tons of potential. Number 8. 1957 International A160 Flatbed. $4,000 Rockdale, Texas. Though it lacks a motor and transmission, this 1957 International A160 Flatbed has been lovingly reimagined as a prop or promotional vehicle. Featuring a brand new 16-foot wood bed and clear-coated patina on the body, it's ideal for use as a stage, business display, or decorative piece. No title is included, but a bill of sale is available. A unique piece of Americana for creative minds. Number 9. 1988 Jeep Comanche Pioneer. $800 Rohnert Park, California. An increasingly rare model, this 1988 Jeep Comanche Pioneer long bed pickup features a fuel-injected 4.0-liter inline-6 with an automatic transmission. It has 163,200 original miles and a clean title, but has not been registered since 2006 and carries over $900 in back fees. It does not currently run fuel delivery issues but will fire with starter fluid. Ideal for someone looking to resurrect a classic Jeep truck with great potential and a low barrier to entry. Number 10. 1955 Chevrolet 3500 Dually with rollback flatbed, $6,500 Cairo, Missouri. Beast of a classic, this 1955 Chevrolet 3500 Dually comes with a rollback flatbed and a V8 engine mated to a manual transmission. It runs and drives but still needs finishing touches. With just 35,000 miles showing on the odometer and a clean Missouri title, it could be the ultimate vintage hauler or an eye-catching promotional vehicle. Seller is open to trades, making this a flexible opportunity for collectors. Number 11. 1966 Chevrolet C10 Pickup, $5,800 Clayton, California. This barn-fresh 1966 Chevrolet C10 is a survivor in respectable condition. Powered by a V8 engine and a manual transmission, it has 50,000 miles on the odometer and has been stored since 2015. Though it requires fuel and a new battery to run, it's already on non-operational DMV status, which helps with registration. The classic blue California plates and clean title make this a strong candidate for an easy refresh or full restoration. Number 12. 1977 Ford F-100 Shortbed with 429 big block, $6,000 Willows, California for big block fans. This 1977 Ford F-100 single-cab short bed packs a punch with its 429 cubic inch V8 engine. It turns over and starts but will need a carburetor rebuild, ignition rewiring, and fuel system cleaning. The interior, painted by the previous owner, is in need of aesthetic restoration. With just 100 miles shown, likely post-engine swap, and a clean title in hand, this truck is a solid project with real performance potential once sorted.